students, 19 students are present. I don't know why 5th B your attendance is going low day by day. Why don't you join the classes? I don't know. 19 only are here.
Excuse me, ma'am. Every day I join the class.
Uh, some are not joining, some few are joining daily, but there are many students with B, around 20 to 25 are there. Those are not joining the classes. 20, 23. They are not coming to the classes. I don't know why. The students which are present here, they are coming daily. But rest are okay. So now my screen will be visible. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Google Meet में और
Okay. So messages are recorded. Yes, the video is recorded. So don't write messages. That's why I say you don't write any chat because this class is being recorded. That's why we send you in the WhatsApp the recorded class. So every class is being recorded. So don't write any messages.
Ma'am, if you record messages also.
Sorry. Yes, everything. My screen is recording. My screen, there is a screen recorder, and my screen, everything what is there on my screen is being recorded. So all the students, your faces, my face, whatever is there, everything will be recorded. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm saying you this thing that is also being recorded. मैं आपको ये बोल रही हूँ ये भी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. Okay. So let's
Ma'am,
okay, yourself. Let's start the chapter. Mute everyone. Nobody will present in between. Okay. So this is the chapter we have done till here. See, Sangeet, you have read about Sangeeta. She was a KV teacher, and they have done. They have complete. They have done two activities. That is, first one was
good
uh,
morning, ma'am. నాకు తెలియదు.
good morning. Good morning. Okay,
So,
so
first one is rock climbing. First one is rock climbing.
now crossing the river. Please don't interrupt. Swatika, mute yourself. Deepa joined. Okay, mute everyone. So, okay. So now we in the last we have completed that Sangeeta is a KV teacher and two activities they have covered, that is crossing the river and rock climbing. They have done. So till here we have read, and today we will be completing the next a funny incident 14 Feb 1984. Okay. So next is a funny incident. Okay, let's start. Swatika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading. It was evening. Start reading.
It was reading. Con- co- con-
Khondonbi.
Kondonbi was feeling hungry. We did not have anything to eat. She jumped over the fence
Fence
and
and
got into a field. She quickly
plugged
plucked
it two big cucumbers.
two big cucumbers and came back. Just then, a woman came for a behind and catch
Caught.
caught
Caught hold of her bag.
hold of her bag. She started saying something to co- con-
Khondonbi.
Condonby in her own language. We could not understand what she was saying. Bondi was trying to explain
In
in her
so so
Mizo.
now okay, stop. Good, Swatika. So now what was the funny incident with Sangeeta and her group members? So one evening they were hungry. Khondonbi and Sangeeta. Only two persons were there. Sangeeta and Khondonbi. Okay. So they were hungry. So they didn't have anything to eat. So they jumped over a fence, and with over the fence they plucked two big cucumbers. So when they plucked it, they took it out from behind. A one woman came and she hold Khundonbi. Okay, she hold the bag of Khundonbi. So Khundonbi started.
Evening, ma'am. Kaveri is present.
Meaning of fence?
Fence is you would have seen a fence around a park, right? Maybe
Yes,
a
ma'am.
grill,
Wall.
grill or a
Wall.
fences. Wait, somebody is joining. So that is.
Ma'am, this also have. Ma'am,
Good morning, ma'am.
always put the
Everyone,
wheels
mute.
outside the fence.
Kaveri, Trinesh. Okay, so now fences means a boundary around a park or around, you can say, that is fences. So fences are being why are we are putting fences so that nobody comes inside.
Kaate, like.
आते हाँ आपके स्कूल में है ना. You have seen that when you go to a different ground in your school, you have two grounds there, right? One big ground is there, and you cross that fences. Sometimes children cross that fences, right? So that क्या कहते हैं उसे, sparky you can say, or a very pointed, that pointed tips you can say, that are fences. Okay, so Khondonbi crossed that fences and she brought two big cucumbers. And what happened then? A woman caught them from the back, her bag, and she could not understand her language. But Khondonbi was also from a different place. Wait, Khondonbi was from Mizoram, so she could not explain. Khondonbi was not able to tell that woman, because woman was from a different place and Khondonbi was from a different place. So they could not understand each other's language. Why there is
Ma'am,
a
can I
problem
read
with
now?
you? I have to complete this chapter today. Mute everyone. Kasturi, Ambika, mute. Mute everyone. Okay. So now Khondonbi, I will take the names, please don't say. So Khondonbi was not able to explain.
मैम आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है मैम.
कौन है जिसने अनम्यूट नहीं किया है? कितनी बार ये कहना पड़ता है तुम्हें, कितनी बार? जिसका नाम आएगा वही अनम्यूट करेगा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट आई विल रीडिंग फॉर रीडिंग. फिफ्थ, Trinesh. Trinesh, read. I
Yeah.
tried.
I tried to explain in Hindi, but neither of them could not understand it. Finally, I folded my hands to say that we were sorry.
So
But
now, okay. Now what happened? Okay, Dinesh, wait. So now what they both are not able to understand each other. So what did Sangeeta do? She
Good morning,
folded.
ma'am.
Good morning. She folded her hands. Why she folded her hands? Because she wanted to give a signal. She wanted to say sorry, and by folding the hands, she said sorry to that woman for plucking up the cucumbers. Okay. So now this was the incident. Now let's see what happened next in this incident. Okay. Next from Arushi. Arushi,
Ma'am,
I will read from here. By then, read.
by then our group had gone far ahead. It was already dark. I thought we had lost our way. Now we were really scared. We could not see anything even with our torches.
Torture.
Torches. I started sweating even to
Sweating.
it was cold. I tightly hit
Khondonbi.
Condonby's hand. Called
I called out.
out loudly, "Where are you all? Can you hear me? My voice ahead in the
Echoed.
mountains." We both stopped.
Stop. Okay. Now, good. Now, what happened? Now, when they were hungry, they did this cucumber activity, cucumber work. After that, they have realized that it was dark and it was the night by now. And the group 7 members, because the Sangeeta and Khandonbi were left behind, other member of group 7 they went far ahead. So they knew that they have lost their way. They realized that it was dark and they have lost their way. Now what happened? They were really afraid. When you lose your way, you lost your way. What happens? You get scared. First time you get scared. What has happened? Now they could not see anyone there. Their torches were also went off. They couldn't see with their torches even. And during this cold temperature, the Sangeeta was sweating. Even the temperature was cold. Even
There
the
was snow.
there was not no snow was not there, but the temperature because they were on mountains, so the temperature on mountains is very low and it is
Cold.
cold. So in even that there was a cold temperature. Then also they were sweating because they were very much afraid because they have lost their way. So they were sweating with that fear. So what happened then? Sangeeta hold the Khandonbi's hand and she started calling out, "Where are you all?" She was screaming and she was calling out loudly, "Where are you all? Can you hear me?" Her voice echoed in mountain. What is echo? When you call out in a empty
Ma'am,
space.
like three times. Three times.
Very
Like
good. Call out in an empty space, you speak something loudly, your voice returns back. One time
ma'am,
or
like
two times.
madam.
Yes,
Three times.
good, Dinesh. So this time, this is echoing. Okay, when you are in a filled room, when you are in a filled room, you don't have echoing in a filled room because your sound is absorbed by a lot of materials present in the room. So presently, I am in this room. So my voice is not echoing. It is not returning back because I have materials with me that is absorbing my voice, my sound, like my chair, my table, my desktop, my you can say clothes. Clothes are also absorbing your sound. So that's why the voice is not echoing. But in empty space like mountains, when you speak something, it comes back. Okay, so this is called echo. Now, next from
Ma'am,
guys,
in our
Ma'am,
ground.
ma'am, Brunda
Ma'am,
acting.
क्या
ma'am,
कह रहे हैं?
ma'am, in our big ground. Ma'am, there
There
was
was
in
some
our
network problem.
school, there was big ground.
Okay, so next, Toran. Toran, can you see the text?
Ma'am,
Toran. Toran, please don't say ma'am. Toran.
ma'am, Fatika is starting.
स्वातिका मैं आपको रिमूव कर डोंट चैट इन नो चैटिंग इन द चैट बॉक्स प्लीज आई विल स्टॉप योर सिलेबस हियर एंड यू डू योरसेल्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी आप खुद ही लिख लो ओके
Ma'am,
फिफ्थ
in
बी
our big,
सॉरी
ma'am, in our big ground in our school, there
हाँ
we
यू कैन सी
we talk with mouth. We talk with mic. There
yes
will be
because your voice is not heard at the back that's why you use mic there okay that is okay now Toran can you hear me Toran
Yes, ma'am.
started read from here
Where, ma'am?
here from here we both started here read from here
Both started to whistle loudly and flash the
flashed
torches. Flashed our torches
probably the group
properly. Probably the group had noticed that we were missing. We heard some whistles at a distance. Understood the
signal
others hand
signal.
light and waited.
waited
Kondonbi felt that we should
keep
started singing a Mizo
mizo
song loudly.
mizo song loudly
After some time,
after some
we saw them.
towards us at
After some
last
time, we saw them towards
coming
us at last. we were the
Group
coming
again.
towards
At last we were with the group
we were
again. Group again. Okay, so now, okay, stop, Taran. Now what happened? As they were lost, so they were giving signals to the groups, and their group has also noticed that they were missing. So the group members of group 7, they have noticed that two persons in their group are missing, and they also whistled from a distance. The other members whistled from also distance. So they understood the signal that they are finding the members. So now what happened? They hold their hands tightly. They both the Sangeeta and Khandonbi hold their hands, and they waited for their group members to come towards them and take them with them. So what did Khandonbi do? Khandonbi started singing loudly in a Mizo language. She started singing a song in a Mizo language. Okay, she was from Mizoram. Khandonbi was from Mizoram. So she started singing a song in a Mizo language. And why she was doing this? Can anyone tell me? Why she started singing
Ma'am,
song very
because
loudly?
ma'am, because
Ma'am, because she liked to sing a song.
no, ma'am,
Wrong.
ma'am, because their group want to come here.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Because
what is
because she was giving a signal to the group members. Because if
ma'am.
they will listen the voice, if they will
Ma'am, she
listen the
was
voice,
giving signal to the group.
yes, yes. As they were lost, so they were giving signal to the group members so that they can come towards us and they can find us. That's why she started singing a song in Mizo. Though their group members will not understand the language, but they will come to know that someone is
And
singing,
they
someone
hear
is.
a sound and come towards them.
Yes, very good, Dinesh. Very good. So this was the actual point. She started singing loudly. So now there are some questions. Is there anyone in your class whose language you do not understand, and who does not understand your language? So there are many examples in your classes. Some are from Kerala, some have Malayalam language, some have Telugu language. Okay, so some you understand Telugu, but is it not? This is not possible for you to understand Malayalam or every language. You can I have my own example. I am not from Hyderabad, so I am from Haryana side. Okay, so I don't understand language. I don't know Telugu language. I don't know Gujarati language. So I would be understanding only English and Hindi. If you will speak in
तेलुगु आता.
मुझे हाँ थोड़ा कुछ कुछ words आते हैं. I can't speak sentences in Telugu. I just know few words in Telugu. Okay, so if you will talk in Telugu with me, I will not understand your language. And if I will start talking to you in Punjabi language, so you will not understand my language. So there are many example in your class that. Sorry.
Anyone don't understand my language, ma'am.
Yes, because you are from a different place. You are in our class. There is a diverse group. Okay. Yes, Bangalore. Some are from Mumbai. Some are from Bangalore. Some are from, you can say, Kerala. Or here also. There are local people also here from Hyderabad only. Okay. So many different are here in your classes. So you can give examples of these.
Ma'am,
Have you lost your way?
in my own mother tongue language, 80% will not understand that.
I'm Kaveri in Telugu.
Have you ever lost your way? What did you do then? So if you have you ever lost your way? So this may be possible with you that you would have lost your way. So what did you do?
Ma'am.
Either you take a phone of somebody there and you call your parents that we are here and we have locked up. So what do you do when you are lost?
Ma'am, in temple we will go up the mic. There will be mic na, ma'am.
Very good point. You can, if you are lost at a place like temple, you can go to the room where you have a mic installed.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can
Ma'am,
call
it will
out the
tell.
name. Okay. So
Yes.
you can take somebody's ask. You can give them phone number and you can ask for help. Please help me. I have lost.
Phone number.
You can do this. Or you might be knowing your, if you go to some place, your parents already prepare you before only, that if you by chance you are lost, so come, they tell you one spot, that come to
Ma'am,
this place and stand here only. If you
ma'am,
by
and
chance
give
you,
route, give a paper and
they give a
route.
paper, yes. So you, either you have a map, or or your parents also prepare you, that if you are lost, by chance आप lost हो जाते हो,
Ma'am,
if you are
etc.
lost,
They will give
how
phone
did,
also. Phone.
in a very crowded place you are lost, then they give you a place like this, they make a spot for you, that if you are lost, come and stand on this place, we will
Ma'am,
come here and we will see. Okay,
ma'am,
so
phone also. Phone. We will
they
ask
can
route.
ask
We
for
will ask
phone,
route.
you can stand at a place, so all these things you do. But first of all, the reaction is, you get scared, okay, when
Yes,
someone loses.
ma'am.
was telling hi,
First,
Udaya.
Ma'am,
first
somebody will
feeling,
cry. Somebody will cry.
some students will cry, some will behave in a very bold manner, some will get scared. So we have different reactions in children. Different children react in different way. Okay, everyone is not the same. Why do you think Kondonbi would have sung loudly? So this we have discussed, because she was giving signal to other members. Okay,
Thanks to other.
ever seen someone doing something special to overcome fear? What and when? So this you can ask your parents whether they have some kind of fear, or how they have overcome their fears. Okay. Now let's move to the next thing, a special guest. Now what is, who was the special guest in their mountaineering camp? 15
Ma'am,
Feb
can I read?
1984. Okay, from now,
Ma'am,
from, I think
Dinesh.
we have taken from, okay, boys side, Dinesh, read.
Yes, ma'am. A special guest. After dinner, we met a special guest. But Bak-
Bachendri Pal.
Bachendri Pal. She had just been selected as a part of the team to climb Mount Everest. She had come to seek the blessings of Brigadier Gyan Singh. It was a happy evening. We were all singing. But Henadri also joined us in singing and dancing on the famous Pahadi
Pahar
song
song.
Bedu 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 Pako
Baramasa.
Baramasa Kafal Pako
पाको
Pa,
चैता मेरी छैला.
मैम ये समझ नहीं आ रहा
A name
मेरी
Pahadi song. This is a name of a Pahadi song. Bedu Pako Bara Masa Kafal Pako Cheta Meri Chhela. Song. Okay. Read
at the
complete till here. Hmm.
at that time we had no idea that Bak
Bachendri Pal. Bachendri would become.
Bachendri would become the first Indian woman to reach Mount Everest and create history.
Stop. Good. Now, what happened? Who was the special guest in their camp? She was Bachendri Pal. Now, who is Bachendri Pal? Bachendri Pal, you know, if you have heard in GK, if you have heard this name, Bachendri Pal is the first Indian
Indian
woman.
woman who climbed the mountain.
Yes, very good. So, Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman who climbed Mount Everest, and she had created history. She was the first Indian woman. Indian, you can say, not foreigner. She was the first Indian woman, and she was selected as a part of a team. A team was selected to climb the Mount Everest. Okay, 18 members were there in that team. Okay, out of that team, 7 members were of women. Okay, please mute everyone. Out of that 18 members team was selected in the for climbing Mount Everest, and in 18 members, 7 were women. Okay, 7 were women and rest were men. And in that 7 women, one was Bachendri Pal and Brigadier Gyan Singh. Why she came to seek the blessings of Brigadier Gyan Singh? Because Brigadier Gyan Singh was the guide of Bachendri Pal. Okay, like you have your teachers, so Brigadier Gyan Singh was the
Guru,
guide. Okay, she was
Guru.
from, yes, Guru, yes. So she was from Uttarakhand. You will read now in the next page. She was from Uttarakhand and she had joined the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi. Okay, so there she met Brigadier Gyan Singh, and Brigadier Gyan Singh was his guide. So she was that much uh, intelligent, you can say, that she got selected in the team.
Ma'am, what is presenting?
Ma'am, somebody is presenting. Your screen is
Why
gone.
do you click? Why do you presenting
Ma'am,
between?
Nivas is presenting. Ma'am, Nivas.
Ma'am, Nivas is presenting.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Share now. Wait. Don't present in between, Nivas, please. Okay, now coming back. Camp in the snow. Now there was a. Now next is, now you have know about Bachendri Pal. This can be a question in your online test. I may give you. आगे जब आपके
Okay,
ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होंगे, so you can get the question, who was the first Indian woman to reach Mount Everest? So she was Bachendri Pal. Who was the guide of Bachendri Pal? Brigadier Gyan Singh. When did she climb? We will read it now. When she climbed, on which date, for how many minutes she stayed at the highest point in the Mount Everest. So all these things you will read here, and these are very small questions that can come up in from this chapter. Okay, so camp in the snow. Next is camping. Okay, from girls, Jazel. Jazel, Jazel, can you hear me? Is she here? Vrunda,
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Daisy
I
is
Jazel
there,
here?
will
ma'am.
read, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Here,
Wait,
Daisy is there.
Jazel? I think she is not listening. Okay, I'll ask some other
Ma'am,
ends.
I will.
Okay,
Ma'am, Sanvi.
okay, Sanvi, Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
read. Sanvi, read. We were standing.
We were standing at a height of 2,134 meters. We were to spend the night here. Everyone was busy trying to put up the tent. We used double layered plastic sheets for the tent and for the ground. The air between the layers would help to keep us warm. Th- We
We put in
put
the pegs.
We put in the pegs and began to put up the tent. As we tied it from one side, the wind flew the tent from the other side. After quite a lot of pulling and tugging, we managed to get the tent up. Then we dug a drain around the tent.
Now
We
what
were
happened? Okay, okay, stop. Now uh, they were camping. The next activity was camping in the snow. Camp in the snow. So, what? How much height? It was 2134 meters. So they were at a height of 2134 meters, and they were spending the night there. So to spend the night, you can see in the pictures they have put up one tent there,
Ma'am,
and the tent was made
in
up of a
mountain,
double
in
mountain. Yes,
mountain,
yes, in the mountain at a height of 2134 meters, they have put up their tent. And that tent, you can see that was, they have mentioned that that is a double layered plastic sheet. Why they have used double layer? Because you can see at such a height, you will feel very cold. So
yes,
to keep
ma'am.
them warm, they have used double layer plastic sheets. So they have used that pegs and pitons, and they have put the hook, and with the rope they have tied the tent. And after doing lot of efforts, it was possible to put up the tent, because if they would tie from one side, the wind would come, and from the other side it will flew. So after putting lot of
Yes,
efforts and pulling and tugging, they managed to get the tent up. So after doing lot of hard work and efforts, they put up the tent, and then they have also dug a drain around the tent. So they have given a drainage system near the tent, because if some kind of water would be there, that will flow in that drain. Okay, so they have given this system of drainage in nearby their tent. So now next paragraph. Okay, Vrinda, read from here, complete till here.
Ma'am, all are asking when school will open, when school will open.
We complete the chapter, then I will answer. Okay. Okay.
We collected some firewood and stones to make a chiller. Ma'am, his voice is low, ma'am. Vrinda's voice is very low.
Linda, speak loudly. Keep your mic in front of you. Your voice will be audible.
Yeah, ma'am. We were
Okay.
feeling very hungry. We collected some firewood and stones to make a chilla and cook some food. After the meal, we collected all.
Ma'am, we cannot hear, ma'am.
Okay,
Vrinda's
I'll
voice.
explain. Let her read.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
explain. Let her. We collected. Read. Brinda, read.
We were very hungry. We collected some firewood and stones to make a chilla and cook some food. After the meal, we collected all the waste in a bag to clean the campsite. Then we got into our sleeping bags. I was not sure if I would be able to sleep there.
Would it be comfortable?
Would I not feel cold? The bags were filled with soft blankets, gently keeping us warm. We were all very tired, so we soon
Fell asleep. Okay, good. So now what happened? After putting up the tent, all the girls, Sangeeta and all the group members were very hungry. So they collected some wood and stones and they made chula and they cooked some food. After eating the food, they cleaned all the campsite and they drained all the they put up and cleaned the place where they were eating, and then
Ma'am,
soon they went to their tent for sleeping, and they had some new thing, that is sleeping bags. So they
ma'am,
used
what
to.
is meaning of chula?
चूल्हा is that your gas. आप
Gas.
लकड़ी से अंगीठी, लकड़ी से आप जिस पे खाना बनाते हो, that is चूल्हा. Okay. Lighting
Okay,
the
ma'am.
fire, lighting the wood,
I know, ma'am. I
chula.
know. But
Okay, okay. So now they used to sleep in a bag named as sleeping bags. Okay. So they were sleeping.
Sorry.
ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
ma'am, ma'am, yes, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, find the pencil.
ma'am,
Number with number name. Harshida, are you doing?
Jezel,
Yes, what is that sound?
Jezel, Jezel, మీ అక్కకి కూడా క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది కదా?
What? With number name. Don't do ordinal number.
మీ అక్కకి కూడా క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది కదా?
ఏమో. Are you talking in Telugu?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Can you hear me, ma'am? This is pathetic. Sana. Tanasri. Yes, sir. Brunda, stop presenting. Swatika presenting. Uddu. దినేష్
చేసి పెట్టానా ఇస్త్రీ?
దినేష్ దినేష్ హలో
ఏంది చెప్పు?
మ్యామ్
మాట్లాడకు.
మ్యామ్ ఏది
మ్యామ్ కి నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది.
అర్థం కాలే.
నెట్వర్క్ అంటే కాల్ కట్ అయిపోయింది మేడం తో బై మిస్టేక్.
Toran.
చెప్పురా. అవును అరే మెసేజ్ ఏంద్రా, నువ్వు ఆన్లైన్ లోనే ఉంటావు ఇప్పుడు. కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయి, కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయిరా.
ఏమైందిరా?
మ్యూట్, కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయి, కెమెరా కనిపిస్తలేదు నువ్వు.
Toran.
దినేష్.
Dinesh, stop presenting. Dinesh, stop presenting. Everyone, activity 11. Stop presenting. Okay, come to the chapter. I'll present now. ये आपके लिए बड़ा अच्छा.
Ma'am.
This is a very good.
What happened, ma'am?
This is a very good.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Please mute
Ma'am.
everyone. Mute. Mute. Please mute. Mute.
Ma'am.
Jaisal, Charan. Jaisal, Charan, mute. Jaisal. ना आपको बड़ा अच्छा चांस मिलता है ना, मैम का सिग्नल गया और आप प्रेजेंट करो और बातें करो. टीपी चरण, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. टीपी चरण, you. Okay, so I'm presenting here. Last topic is left. I'm reading it. Yes, so I am reading it very fast here. Okay, so the next morning we woke up and found that please don't talk, let me complete the chapter. White soft fluffy snowflakes were gently falling. Now after getting up next morning they have seen snow all around. Wow, it was so beautiful. The plants, trees, the grass and the mountains, everything looked white. Today we were to climb at higher 2700 meters. So now earlier they were at a height of 2134. Now they have to go to 2700 meters. We walked carefully on the snow with the help of the sticks. So as you can see, lot of snow is there. So you have to use some kind of sticks, otherwise you slip down. So it was difficult because we kept. By afternoon, we had reached snow-covered mountains. We enjoyed throwing snowballs at each other and making a snowman. So you can see the picture here, snowman. So this was the snow camp. They went to the highest. They went to a height of 2,700 meters and they played with the snow there. Okay, so that was an enjoyment moment for them. Now, last day at the camp. 21st February was the last day, 1984. We were getting ready for the campfire. Each group presented a program. We were enjoying telling jokes and laughing, singing and dancing around the campfire. Now, last day they have made a campfire as there was inauguration ceremony. So there was a last closing ceremony and every group presented one or the other program. Soon it was midnight. Soon it was midnight. Brigadier Gyan Singh got up and called me. I thought, oh no, what have I done this time? Now what happened there? Brigadier Gyan Singh called Sangeeta and she was thinking what I have done now. What happened now? Why the sir has called me? So, but when sir announced my name for the best performance award, I stood still. So Sangeeta got best performance award. She was the one who received best performance award. And after hearing this, she stood still for some time.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
For 2 minutes, let me complete the chapter, then class will over. So now Sangeeta, after completing the camp, she got a award for Best Performance Award. So who got the Best Performance Award? It was Sangeeta.
Sangeeta.
Okay.
Sangeeta.
Now this paragraph is about Bachendri Pal. Okay. Now I'll read it very fast so that you can understand. A 12-year-old girl living in the mountains was not on a picnic, was out on a school picnic. She climbed a mountain peak of 4,000 meters with her friends. Now, at a very early age, 12 years, she went on a school picnic and in that age, she went up to the height of 4,000 meters with her friends.
Ma'am.
The girls had done for fun and adventure. So they climbed a mountain on a school picnic, and this they have done for fun and adventure.
Ma'am,
Soon it was dark and they could not come down. Yes, Bachendri Pal with her friends. Soon it was dark and they could not come down. It was also cold and scary. They were alone without any food and it was long night. This happened to Bachendri Pal played when she was a young girl. So you can say being young, she was very bold, a brave girl. She did a very hilarious task. She went to a height of 4,000 meters with her friends and when she was on a school picnic. So she was there with the school, and then she, with her friend, she went to hide. Bachendri grew up in a Nakuri village in the Garhwal area of Uttarakhand. When she grew older, she joined Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttar Kashi. As I told you, she joined this Nehru Institute. Her guide was Brigadier Jan Singh. Bachendri did this very well in her training. Intelligent girl. She started to train women in the mountain. Please don't interrupt. She started to train women in the mountain courses. In 1984, Bachendri was selected as a team member to climb Mount Everest. So now, in 1984, as you can see, she came as a special guest in Sangeeta's camp. And why did she came to get the blessings of Brigadier Gyan Singh, right? So in that year only, she started Mount Everest, climbing Mount Everest. In 1984, she had been selected as a team member in Mount Everest. There were 7 persons in that 18-member team. As I told you, 18-member team was 7 were women. On the night of 15th May, the team was very tired after reaching the height of 7,300 meters. The team put up their tents and went to sleep. Around midnight, they heard a loud sound and then a bang. Now, what happened on 15th of May? 15th of May, they were at a height of 7,300 meters, and then they heard a very large sound. That sound was of snow. A snowstorm has come there. Before they were fully awake, the tent flew off and something very heavy hit them. So, as you would have seen in movies that snowstorm, a very wind comes in a very high speed and the snow roll like a ball. So that hit them very hard.
yes,
There was a terrible snowstorm. Bachendri was almost buried under the snow and was hurt on the head. So she got hurt on the head and she was buried. Many of them, team members, were also injured. So with this snowstorm, they were all injured. The others used snow picks and axes to dig out who had been buried under the snow. So the members, please mute, please be mute. Let me complete it and then you can leave the class after 10 minutes. So the rest of the team members returned to base camp, but Bachendri Pal went ahead. So as you know, she was hurt, she was buried, but then also she didn't lose hope. She went ahead, climbing slow and steady towards the peak. It was 7 minutes past 1 o'clock in the afternoon of 23rd May. Now, what was the time? 1 minute o'clock, 7 minutes past. Okay, this was the time on 23rd May. Okay, 23rd May afternoon when Bachendri Pal stepped onto the peak of 8,900 meters. 8,900 meters, highest Mount Everest, Sagar in Nepal. So this was the height of the Mount Everest, Sagarmatha. So, fifth B, Toran, mute. Let me complete. Give me 2 minutes. I'll complete it. So, Bachendri Pal got to the height of 8,900 meters. 8,900 meters is the height of Mount Everest. Okay, around 8,009 meters is the height of Mount Everest, and she went to the highest peak in the Mount Everest, and that Mount Everest is known. Please stop talking. And Mount Everest is known as Sagarmatha in Nepal. Some part of Mount Everest is also there in Nepal. So that part is known as. Please, that is because of net. Okay. Now, Bachendri Pal was the first woman. She now spent there 43 minutes on the highest peak in the world. Bachendri
Ma'am,
Pal
your presentation is stacked, ma'am.
spent. What happened, fifth B? Okay, I know because of the network connectivity.
Ma'am,
Just listen to the
telling
voice.
time
Don't
is
say this
over.
in between. Leave, I will mark absent. अगर आपको लीव करना है तो जाओ, मैं एब्सेंट मार्क कर दूंगी. Go. I'm saying you remain here for 2 minutes. This is very difficult. 43 minutes. Bachendri Pal stayed at Sagarmatha. What do you call Mount Everest in Nepal? That is called Sagarmat. Okay. Sagarmat. Pal, Mount Everest peak is known as Sagarmat. So she spent 43 minutes on the highest peak in the world. How much time she spent there? 43 minutes. She put up the national flag on the highest peak and took photographs. When she was on the highest peak, she was very happy to reach the highest point and she made a new achievement. She put up the national flag, Indian national flag, and took some photographs. And for 43 minutes, she stayed there. Chendri Pal became the first Indian woman and fifth woman in the world. Fifth B. Is it very difficult to keep mute? Now, Bachendri Pal was the first woman Indian woman. She was the first Indian woman. In Indian, she was first, but from the world,
Ma'am.
she was okay. So this was your chapter. I'm stopping the presentation because the attendance. Be ready for
Ma'am.
attendance.
The school's open.
What happened?
Your presentation is stuck, ma'am.
Stop the presentation. Be ready for the attendance. Fifth B. Be ready for the attendance.
Ma'am.
Be ready for the attendance. 1 minute. Wait for. अगर आपने म्यूट नहीं किया अभी, कीर्तना आई एम एब्सेंट. कीर्तना आई एम मार्किंग यू एब्सेंट. जेजल आई विल मार्क एब्सेंट है. आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा ना, मेरी बात समझ आती नहीं आपको? रोल नंबर 1 बृंदा.
Ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. I have a call. Present, ma'am.
दीपा प्रेजेंट. थर्ड जेजिल.
Present, ma'am.
जेजिल. कावेरी.
Present, ma'am.
कावेरी. कावेरी. कावेरी.
Ma'am, I have a call.
Uday, go. I will mark your present. Go. Kaveri, is she present? Why are you sleeping in the class? I don't know. Fifth B every time sleeping. जब attendance की बारी है तभी बोल रहे. कीर्तना.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Absent. Rakshita. Absent. Rakshita. I am asking Rakshita. Please don't say present on everyone. Kaveri, I have marked. Roshni absent. Ruchika. Sanashri.
Present, ma'am.
Sanvi.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Wait for 1 minute. And my after Sanvi, Sunishka. Swatika. Is she here? Swatika. I'm marking absent, Swatika. Okay, wait, I'm marking absent here. Shweta.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Udeshri present. Vindhya.
Present, ma'am.
Arushi.
Present, ma'am.
Arushi. Ambika.
Present, ma'am.
Ambika is here. Mute yourself.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ambika is here. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Ankita. Brinda.
Ankita.
No, nobody will. Let me take up that. Brinda. Shrestha present. Bharani. Bharani absent. Okay. Bharani is absent. Next is Abdullah absent. Aman absent. Banu absent. Okay. DP Charan.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Vrinda is present.
I have marked. Daksh absent. Dinesh.
Present, ma'am.
Kashik. Manu. Manu.
Ma'am, Dinesh present.
Ma'am,
I
don't
have
know, ma'am.
marked. Nitish. Nitish. Marking absent now. Raghavendra.
Ma'am, present,
Raghavendra.
ma'am.
Raghavendra. Absent. Sai Ram. Absent. Who is this Karthik C? Karthik C. Who is from Karthik 5th C?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Karthik, ma'am.
Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Nitish over Raghavendra.
Ma'am,
Sai
in
Ram.
our class.
Sampath.
Ma'am, in our class.
Sampath.
Present, ma'am.
Sampath. Shanmukh. Shanmukh. Siddharth. Siddharth. Taran. Taran. Present. Trinesh. Trinesh absent. Okay. Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu absent. Okay. Yuva. Yuva present. Yuva present. Okay. Nivas. Nivas.
present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Tarun. Tarun. Last.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
So now fifth B. You can
Ma'am,
leave
आप
one
जा
by
सकते
one. Yes, you can leave one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Can we leave?
Yes,
Bye,
you
ma'am.
can leave one by one.
Bye,
Bye, bye,
ma'am.
bye. You can leave.
Present.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Ask your
Ma'am,
doubt. Yes,
what is
ask
the
your doubt.
homework? Ma'am, I sent you the calligraphy, ma'am, just
Okay,
now.
okay, I will see. You send me. I'll send it. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
One by one. Fifth B, leave one by one. Let me join.
Hi, Vrinda.
Fifth B, leave one by one. If you have doubt, you can ask. Arushi.
Bye.
Okay, bye.